Hey, Howard here at 82 Maple. And you know what? When one is diagnosing an issue around a sawmill like this, it's often a process of elimination. And a while back, I was having some significant diving and climbing issues with my saw blade. And the reason was my engine RPM wasn't translating through to the saw blade because of a slipping belt. I resolved that issue, but since that time, I've been wondering if my engine RPMs are where they need to be. Yes. Well, John from the Bradleys on Catbird Hill suggested this little device to his audience, and thank you, John. And watch this, a $20 tachometer from Amazon. And there we have it. Peace of mind. My RPMs are exactly where they need to be. Thanks, John.